Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. So this weekend we are at the ranch. It's actually been a while since we've been here. We followed our baby emus. So let me give you a short tour here of our farm animals, starting with the emus. They're right there behind me under the heat lamp because it's still kind of chilly in the evening. It goes down to 55, 60 right now, but it warms up during the day. So it's kind of this spring changing weather, which is, as you can see, it's morning here, so I'm kind of, yes, below the 80 for us in Texas. It's kind of cold, right? We got the little jacket, but it's really not bad. And we're hoping to see the solar eclipse on Monday because we are in the path of totality here. So that's why we came. But let me show you the animals. You think they're scary?
Yeah, they look like dinosaurs.
Like dinosaur, kind
They're
of.
like the closest thing to dinosaurs.
Yeah, right. You're kind of a strange bird, I have to say. She's kind of right. So you think that's the boy or the girl?
The girl.
But that's the big one. That's it. Where's the small one? Oh, it's in the pen. It's in the pen over there in the back. Okay. I'm not sure the big one is the girl. Okay, there she. I don't know. I would have said that is the girl.
No, that one's the boy.
That's the boy? I'm not sure.
Put your guesses in the comments.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. How do you recognize a female from a male? Oh, see? She's got little hair popping up on top of the head. No?
You look ugly.
Not sure. Yes, you're the girl. I'm telling you, the small one is the girl.
Yeah, maybe because she's growing hair.
Yeah, she's growing hair
get
secretly.
away
Oh,
from me.
wow. You want all the attention over there. Yeah. Yeah. A bit smaller here. Yeah, you're the girl, huh? And you're the boy? You're pretty curious here, huh? Always wanting to know what's going on. All right, so that's our parents' emus. Little emus. Yeah, you turn your water bowl around. I know you need more water. Yes, eating. That was scout. No, it's not meant to step on. It's meant to eat. Yeah. Emus. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And why don't you subscribe to the channel as well? Make sure you hit the ring bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. But let's go back to these cute little emus and our other animals. How many eggs did you collect? Show me.
Mom, there isn't eggs out here.
I know, but they're old. They're all gonna go for the pigs here. Too old. Yeah. Did you collect the ones in the nest or not? Yeah? Yeah, they're old and dirty. Ooh, yeah, you're right. Comment ça va les coin-coin? Yes? Yeah, there are still eggs. You forgot some. Yeah, over there in the nest. They've been sitting for too long. Yeah, coin-coin, we're not staying long. Don't be scared. And there's one over there in the dirt. Yeah, there's still a few. Duck party time, huh? Filling up that little pool here for my favorite ducks. Les coin-coin. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't splash me. Ooh. I mean, it was clean water, but turns brown pretty quick with you, huh? And the other ones are having a good time over there. Yeah. Turkeys. Yeah, always around, huh? Are you still laying? I don't know if anybody's sitting over there on the nest, huh? Yes, turkeys.
Here, I'm cracking them. That is gross. have that. I don't want it. Ready? Okay. We'll break it slightly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, is she gonna eat mine?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
You're gonna have to run for that one. Here, I'm gonna play bowling. Bowling. Bowling for throwing. Bowling but throwing.
Oh, that was good, Peppa. The kids are throwing eggs at you. Huh?
Should I break it? Yes. Okay. Like this? That easy. You're up. That's not an idea. No, all I need. Look how clean the bag is. I'm just gonna majestically put it right here.
You are the cutest over there. So that's what we have left. We have left 3 girls and 1 boy. The 1 boy is the one you see with the short tail. Yeah, the one completely right there is the boy. The dark one, actually. I don't know why he's got a short tail. Maybe he got stepped on very early with mommy. I don't know. Only 2 left. I arrived this weekend. We had how many? 6 or 7, and they left. Hopefully some good homes. And these are the 2 left. 1 girl, 1 boy, and apparently we will keep the boy. It's the darker one right there. I just found out. Not too happy about it, but we're missing Daddy, pretty much. Let me show you the issue here. Daddy escaped. And when I said Daddy, this is Gizmo. The mail we got from Monica and Eric, Blend's Promised Land Ranch. It's not the first time he was breaking out, but this time he did not come back. We do have electric fencing, but that did not stop him. He broke through the fence. So you can see all this is electric fencing. It is pig rated, but it was not enough for him. He just broke through it, and very, very strong male. We just hope he's somewhere around. As you can see here, it's woods everywhere, but it's been already a while. Apparently he's left, so I don't know. Jake's hope here is that maybe she's gonna be in heat at some point in the coming weeks, and he might smell it and come back. If he's still around, I don't know. He was a beautiful pig. Yeah, Peppa, you're missing your boyfriend, huh? I know. That's just a shame. I know. Unfortunately, this is part of having a farm. You lose farm animals, and for some of them, it's pretty tough. We lost quite a few turkeys initially to predators, goats as well, baby goats. I mean, they're just so cute and gone, you know. We had an issue with a rabbit. It's yeah, when it's predator, you know, they're gone. Here for Gizmo, this is not the case. I mean, he's a very big and very strong pig, so he escaped somewhere in the woods. Somebody might have caught him, bring him to another farm. I don't know. I'm guessing it's not a pig you're gonna kill, but who knows? Who knows? I just hope he's somewhere in these woods, and when she gets in heat, he's gonna come back. Let's just cross finger. We kind of liked our Gizmo. Our fruit trees are doing really good. Let me show you here. It's a plum tree, and yeah, if you look at it here, you see the fruits growing, and they're everywhere. Little plums. So that is really cool. So here is one of the beehives we have. Can't wait for you to give us honey. Huh? We've been waiting 2 years here. Another hive over there, so they're active. Hopefully we will get honey. Hopefully, if it's not a drought like last year. I hope not. And here is the tree that's doing the best. That's a peach tree, and look at all the peaches blooming like everywhere. Everywhere you have peaches. It is incredible. And that's only the second year we have it, so that is really cool. Really, really cool. Look at that one here. I mean, it's just, yeah, peaches, peaches, peaches everywhere. So cool. So here is one little piece of the garden where we have, I think, onion, garlic and potatoes. Jack planted everything this year and he's not very happy because he just found out this weekend we have bugs in the potatoes. So that was not a good discovery here, but it's pretty separated from the rest of the garden over there. That's growing pretty good. Okay, so here, if they're doing what I think they're doing, I really think the small one is the female. Yeah, you are the girls and you're the boy. That is it. It has to be it, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he's going after you. Yeah, that's what it is. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. You go, okay. I should not disturb too much here, but I'm pretty sure that's it. Emu caught in the act. Now that's all our baby Bresses. I don't think we have turkeys in here yet. They started laying eggs not that long ago, so they're in the incubators. These are Bresse chickens, chicks, different stages. As you can see, you have some small one right there, some bigger ones over there, ready to be transferred to one of the coop. And here are our chickens, all Bresses. As you know, we reduced the breeds here down to one, the one we preferred. I shouldn't say French, they're American Bresses, imported from France, but American. See, very white. Well, actually, they're kind of dirty here. It's red mud, so even so, they're supposed to be very white. It's kind of dirty white with blue legs. So we have several pens here, pretty much one rooster with 3 to 4 hens, except for this one here. As you can see, it's they're ready to be processed. Pretty much all the roosters here, I think they're going next weekend. It's a lot of roosters. Wow, and they're big. This is a breed that gives you quite a bit of meat and also lays a decent amount of eggs, so pretty nice. So here we've got one rooster for 4 hens. Do we have eggs? Oh yes, we do have eggs to be picked up. Here we have one rooster for 3 hens. But yeah, you see, they're supposed to be completely white, and at the end, with that red dirt, they're kind of almost kind of brownish reddish. Yeah. Oh no, yes, another one laying over there. You got 4 hens with you. Lucky boy. Lucky boy. And we have more in there. I mean, the same setup pretty much, with one rooster, 4 hens. Yeah, another one in there. All doing good. We really like this breed. Yeah, they're younger hens here. You don't have nesting boxes yet. More Bresse here. They're everywhere, huh? You are everywhere with some nesting boxes here. And here is our favorite turkey pie. Sophie's pet turkey. Yes. And one of my first baby turkeys. Out of the first batch. We don't have many left, but she is one of them, and she has eggs over there. She was laying, actually sitting on these eggs. I hope you're still sitting, Pie, huh? I'm not disturbing. Yeah, I'm not coming to disturb you. I'll let you sit on your eggs. We created a little nesting area over there for her to have some intimacy, as you can see. And yeah, yesterday she was sitting. Today, I think she wants to talk. You're missing Sophie, right? Yeah, I know. Where is Sophie? Hi there, Rebecca. How are you? Rebecca girl? Yes, you're one of the softest, cutest. Aside from Bella, of course, but Bella, she's at home. How are you? Yeah. Yes, you are so soft. Little Rebecca. Oh, yes. And the goats, as always, happy goats, huh? Are you happy, Peanut? Yes. Very peaceful. You look very peaceful. Got some more over there. And Fabio somewhere rooming. We extended their area a lot. And I did quite a lot of washing machines actually for you to climb on. Ay. So I hope you enjoyed this little farm tour. It is spring, babies. It's a pretty nice weather. Animals are happy. And to finish in happiness, I will leave you with my favorite duck splashing in the pool.